Miss Redmi sub-brand attempted its first foray into the flagship market with the Redmi K20 Pro, a device that was widely praised for being a affordable flagship at the time when several other ones strayed further away from the affordability. K20 service was launched in May 2019 in China, but Redmi has revealed in October 2019 that it was already working on the successor to the series. The Redmi K30 was confirmed to be Redmi's first 5G smartphone, and the official teaser accompanying the announcement confirmed that it will come with dual punch hole front cameras. Now we are finally seeing the first live image on the Redmi K30, which go on to confirm that next Redmi flagship will indeed have a 120Hz high refresh rate display. This news was based on code evidence found within MIUI 11 builds. Now these new live up we have an image of the about phone section within MIUI 11, which mentioned the device name to be Redmi K30. The device picture lines up with the official teaser image of the Redmi K30. The next image showcases the option to switch between 120Hz and 60Hz refresh rate options. This image shows off landing page of AIDA64, which confirms the display 120Hz refresh rate capability and goes on the mentions of Adreno 618 GPU. The Adreno 618 is found on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730 and Snapdragon 730 SoC, which essentially confirms that at least one variant in the Redmi K30 series will come with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 730G, and that this variant will retain the 120Hz refresh rate display. Extra plotting on the existence of the Redmi K20 and a Pro variant, we can expect to see the Redmi K30 accompanied with a Redmi K30 Pro. Xiaomi confirmed the existence of a 5G variant of the K30 series as well, which makes it a possibility that there might be more variants in the lineup.